Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern wood desk build project ideas with big impact on home decor and money making. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. Building a modern wood desk as a weekend project is more than just assembling a flat surface on legs. It's an opportunity to merge function with artistry and to craft a product that resonates both in personal living spaces and in the broader marketplace. The simplicity of the concept, a clean, contemporary desk, belies the immense potential it holds for aesthetic elevation and commercial success. With just a few intentional choices, this seemingly small build can make a big impact, enriching not only the room it occupies but also its maker's creative and entrepreneurial journey. A modern wood desk speaks directly to the rhythms of today's lifestyle. In an age where more people are working from home, pursuing creative passions, or seeking clarity in their personal environments, the desk has reclaimed its role as a central feature of modern life. But to create a desk that truly stands out, one that feels good to sit at, looks beautiful in a room, and can command attention in a marketplace, you must look beyond functionality. You must design with purpose, craft with care, and present it with vision. The enriching process begins with material choice. While the desk may appear modern in style, think minimal lines, natural wood finishes, and refined structure. The wood you choose defines the tone of the entire piece. A slab of walnut, oak, ash, or even sustainably sourced plywood can turn a basic build into a showpiece. The color, texture, and grain patterns offer an organic depth that synthetic materials cannot replicate. When you run your hand over a solid wood desk, you don't just feel smoothness, you feel presence. That tactile quality is something customers will pay for because it bridges form and experience. Equally important is the finish. In modern design, finishes tend to lean toward the matte or satin, allowing the grain to take center stage without excessive shine. Oil finishes, such as Danish or tung oil, soak into the wood and preserve its integrity, while water-based polyurethane can offer protection without muting the natural warmth. A well-finished desk surface communicates craftsmanship, even in photos. For marketability, that visual richness helps sell the piece long before someone ever touches it. Design plays a critical role in enhancing both the desk's beauty and its appeal to buyers. A modern desk thrives on simplicity, but this simplicity must be intentional, not bland. A beveled edge, a gentle curve in the leg design, or a floating top supported by sleek metal brackets can inject subtle sophistication. These small touches elevate the design from utilitarian to aspirational. The beauty of modern woodworking lies in these exact details. With fewer decorative distractions, every joint, every edge, every angle must be precise. That precision becomes its own kind of ornamentation, and its clarity resonates with an audience seeking calm, minimal environments in a noisy world. Modern also means modular, adaptable, and smart. A desk with concealed cable management, integrated power options, or hidden compartments adds function without disrupting form. These additions are not only practical for the user, but are highly marketable when listing the piece online. Consumers today are drawn to products that solve modern problems elegantly. When you build in that kind of intelligence, your desk becomes more than a piece of furniture. It becomes a tool for better living. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The project's weekend build identity is also part of its charm. In a saturated market of over-designed or mass-produced options, there is something refreshing about a handmade desk crafted in a short, focused burst of creativity. The idea that a maker could, in just a couple of days, produce a high-impact, sellable product is empowering and highly marketable in itself. Documenting the process adds tremendous value. Showing the transformation from raw wood to finished desk not only builds authenticity, but creates content that engages customers emotionally. People don't just buy the desk, they buy the story of how it came to be. From an entrepreneurial perspective, weekend projects like this have a low barrier to entry and high return potential. The material costs are relatively controlled, especially if you use offcuts, reclaimed wood, or even selectively sourced slabs, and the output is something universally needed. A desk is one of those evergreen furniture items, always in demand, always in use. And when it's beautiful and well-built, it transcends utility and becomes a personal investment for the buyer. Marketing such a piece involves more than uploading images to a website. The desk needs to be staged in a lifestyle context, perhaps against a white wall, near a large window, with accessories like a lamp, journal, or a laptop to suggest its function. Good photography is crucial. Clean, bright images with attention to texture and proportion allow potential buyers to imagine the piece in their own homes. Testimonials, process videos, and behind-the-scenes clips further humanize the brand and help people connect with the product on an emotional level. For makers selling locally, this kind of desk could also serve as a gateway item, a lead product that brings customers into your larger portfolio. It demonstrates your skills in joinery, finishing, and design, and if the piece is customizable, even better. Offering slight variations in size, finish, or features can make the product feel bespoke while keeping your workflow manageable. It's a smart approach to making a single design work across a broader customer base. There's also an opportunity to connect the desk build to sustainability, a growing concern in the consumer furniture market. Whether you're using reclaimed wood, sourcing locally, or minimizing waste in your production, sharing your environmental values strengthens trust and appeal. Buyers want to feel that their purchases align with their ethics, and a handcrafted modern desk, built intentionally in a short time frame with minimal impact, checks all the boxes. Enriching the desk's marketability doesn't require compromising its aesthetic appeal. In fact, the more you commit to beautiful simplicity and thoughtful design, the more marketable the desk becomes. You're not competing with disposable furniture. You're creating a timeless piece that enhances its environment and rewards its owner every day. That's a powerful selling point. Even more, building and selling a modern wood desk offers makers a clear path into the business of furniture. It's a project with practical dimensions, manageable in time and scope, but also emotionally and financially rewarding. Whether sold online through platforms like Etsy, marketed through Instagram, or displayed at local craft shows, the desk becomes a tangible symbol of craftsmanship in a digital age. It shows that a few boards, joined with care and vision, can make a big statement. A modern wood desk is more than a place to sit and work. It's a surface for ideas, for creation, for quiet thought. When designed with intention and built with skill, it can elevate the room it inhabits and carry the signature of its maker. As a weekend project, it offers a chance to create something with immediate purpose. As a product for sale, it carries long-term value. That intersection, where art meets utility and passion meets profit, is where the real impact lies. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wood desk build project ideas with big impact on home decor and money-making. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.